welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love to blog and love everything that is pink and girly. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite skincare products, and I'm also going to be showing you my new mini beauty fridge. I am like in love with this. It actually arrived a couple days ago, and I was like, what was I thinking all this time? Why did I not get one? I know they're like trending right now and a lot of people have them, but I just thought that I really didn't need it, and I just had all my skincare products in a drawer and then I would kind of forget about them. But oh my goodness, I am like obsessed with this mini fridge. So it took me a while to decide which one to get. There's so many sizes, so many styles, colors, etc. and brands. So I decided to get the Cooluli mini fridge. It does come in 4 liter, 10 liter, and 15 liter, I believe. So I am going to show you what I keep inside and also share with you some of my favorite skincare products that I have been loving for my dry skin. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. So here is my Cooluli mini fridge in the 10 liter. Originally, I had gotten the 4 liter, but then when it arrived, I tried to put all my skincare items inside and it didn't fit. I just have way too many. So then I returned it and got the 10 liter, which I think is great. And it's in this gorgeous, like, light pink color with white. Let me show you the inside. This is what the inside looks like, and you can fit so much in here. I really think this is like the perfect size for like all my skincare items. So this little mini fridge has this compartment here that you can put your like facial masks and other things. So in here I have the Pixi Glow Glycolic Boost Mask. I also have a couple here from the brand Bliss. The inner part right here has these 2 shelves that can be removed, but I just left them because I can put more stuff inside. This one here is one of my most recent ones. It's from the brand Glow Recipe, and it's the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It is so soothing and it's perfect for dry skin. I also have the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This here is like amazing. I love this thing. Once I start running out of this one, I'm gonna run and get more because it is like the most incredible mist ever. It's so hydrating and it smells just like watermelon. If you guys haven't tried anything from the brand Glow Recipe, this one here is like a must. You will like fall in love with the brand the moment you try this one. I also have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This here is really good if you have like really dry skin. You can put this on before bedtime, and then when you wake up you rinse it off and your skin will feel incredible. I also have the Clarins Serum, and this one here is great for helping to brighten your skin. It's very creamy and I like to apply this before my foundation. I have a bunch of the Pixi Serums. I like love serums. I say this a lot. I just really like them and they are great for like really dry skin. So this one here is one of my favorite ones. It's called the Pixi Hydrating Milky Serum. It is so moisturizing and it really soothes your skin. I also have the Overnight Retinol Oil. I have the Vitamin C Serum, which helps to brighten your skin. And I have the Jasmine Oil Blend. I also have this serum here. This one is from the brand Honey Jarrett. They actually sent this out to me about a month ago, and it's almost like honey. It is so hydrating for your skin. It's called the Beauty Serum, and it's the Honey Jarrett, but it reminds me a lot of honey because of the color, but also because of the consistency. It's like a little bit more like sticky, but when you apply it on the skin, it goes on so nice and so smooth, and it's also great for calming your skin. I also have the Pixi Retinol Tonic, and I love facial tonic, especially after cleansing my skin. On this shelf right here, I have a couple facial masks from the brand Bliss, two of my favorite ones. And I have the Watermelon Hydrator and the Watermelon Overnight Mask. And they are really good for your skin. They leave your skin super hydrated. In here, I have a couple more Pixi products. I really love the brand Pixi. It's really good. It's very affordable, and you can literally find it even at Target. So I have the Pixi Rose Caviar Essence. This one here is almost like a cream, like a water cream. And I have the Retinol Eye Cream. I love this for like my under eyes, especially because they are just so dry. Here I have this facial roller that I recently got at Sephora, and I am like so obsessed with this. This is like the best purchase ever. And the last thing on that shelf is this Beauty Elixir. This one here is from the brand Souffle. It's called the Beauty Elixir, and it's for smoothing, glowing complexion. And it's like a little bit different color on the top. You have to like shake it, and then you spritz it on. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit, and I really love it. After you spray it on your face, it just feels so refreshing. So on the top here, I have a couple of my lip scrubs. I have the Pop Beauty lip scrub, and then I also have this one here from the brand Fresh. It's the Sugar Lip Polish to polish your lips and condition them, and it also leaves them super smooth. This mask here from the brand Gleaming is one of my favorite masks. It's made out of turmeric, and it brightens your skin, and it just leaves it so nice. It says here, instantly enhances skin for a luminous, bare-faced glow. And it's like incredible. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, and I am like obsessed with this. Also in here, I have some lip patches. This is from the brand Patchology. It's called the Hydrating Lip Gels, and they are shaped like little lips. Can you see that? And there's like a bunch in there. I love these here. They're so hydrating. I usually use these like right after the sugar lip scrub. And this one here is my holy grail. I am so obsessed with this cream. This is from the brand Tatcha, and it's called the Water Cream. It's the most moisturizing cream you will ever find, and it's so good for any skin type, and I am like obsessed with this. The packaging is adorable. It comes with like a little spoon here to pick up the product, but if you guys haven't tried this, you definitely should. I highly recommend this one. So the last thing I have here are these Pixi Detoxify Eye patches, and these here are great for your under eyes. It brightens them, and it also leaves that area really smooth. So I highly recommend them, and they come shaped like this so that it's just easy just to like put on. So that was everything inside my mini fridge. I'll try to link everything down there below if you're interested. And I'll also link a couple options for mini fridge. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!